Good morning and welcome to week 2 of organizational behavior. I'm Dr. Neil Armstrong. Hope everyone's having a great week and enjoying everything that goes on in our class and everything that is part of being a student. This week we're going to go in there and discuss emotions and moods and how they have impacts on the originations and people. Probably organizations is what I meant to say. But it's one of those things where our emotions and our moods and our understanding of things really play a huge factor in kind of how the society and work environment really displays everything. So we're going to definitely look at the emotional impact on labor has on its employees. If things go bad, then things could make things even worse if we don't actually understand that. We're going to definitely look at the Myers-Briggs type indicators as well for personality framework. We're going to look at Hofstadter's 5 value dimensions of national culture. And we're going to look at ethical decisions on this as well. So this week we're going to read chapters 4, 5, and 6 of the textbook. Let me go ahead and look at our week as well, see kind of what we have to do. So we have a discussion board post, which is due this week as well, and you have the assignment as well. So let's see what the assignment shows. So it has some different questions on there for you to actually answer on that. Really try to see kind of different items about yourself. It's always good to know more about ourselves and really try to understand kind of how we're going to move on in that process. Because really the start of this class has been all about the individual. We did that week 1, and we're building upon that in week 2. If you have any questions about anything or if you need anything from me, feel free to let me know. Hope you have a great week. Thanks.